Good afternoon, everybody. It's once again Ted the Speed Learner, and I'm going to teach you how to Google things. Google has kind of become a slang word for everybody, and so therefore, anytime you wanted to search something for it on the internet, you would usually Google it. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. Now, down here, I don't know if I can get this close enough. See that little E right there? See the little E? That's the Internet Explorer web browser. Okay? Now, there are other web browsers on the internet. There's also Firefox, which is right up here, and there's also one called Google Chrome. Now, I'm not too fond of Google Chrome. I do like YouTube as far as that's concerned. I haven't really got into Google Plus yet either, but when it comes to the web browser Google Chrome, it does have some limitations, and I'm like, okay, I don't want to mess with that. I'm a full-blown programmer, and I've been used to programming things in Microsoft, so anyway, enough about that for now. You can actually create your own web browser, but that's another story for another time. Right now, all we're going to do is we're going to open up the Internet Explorer web browser. The way you do that is you click it. And there it is, your Internet Explorer web browser. Now, in a future video, I'm going to teach you how to set your home page. Yes, this here, you can actually set your home page. Mine's set to Yahoo, but you can set yours to anything you want. Now, you can either have the Google toolbar attached to your thing. I don't, because it just means one more thing I have to open, and it's annoying and it's irritating, so I don't even bother with it. But do you remember in a previous video when I talked to you about address bars? Remember I told you this is an address bar? Okay, we're going to go to that address bar right now. See, I'm up at that address bar right now. Now, when I click this, I use the left mouse button. Okay, I used the left mouse button and I clicked this, and as soon as I did, this all became highlighted. Now I'm going to hit the delete key on my keyboard, and it all goes away. Okay. Now, since we are in the address bar, okay, we're going to type something into the address bar up there. We're going to type in www.google.com. And as soon as we do, we're going to hit the enter button. And voila! We are now on the Google website. Okay, this is the Google website. It is in your web browser. Now, the web browser is actually all this up here and all this down here. Okay, anything inside between this and this is the web page itself. This is the Google web page. Okay, now let's say you want to find something on the internet. Google is what is called a search engine. Okay? Google is a search engine. Alright. Let's say I want to find 8-track tapes. So, I will type the number 8, type the word track, and type in tape. Okay? And when I do, these are called search results. Okay? And believe it or not, we have found 8 tracks. Now, every one of these blue things right here is a hyperlink, and I talked about hyperlinks in a previous video. Okay, this is a hyperlink here, this is another hyperlink here. All these right here, they're all in blue. They are hyperlinks. Now, if you've already clicked that hyperlink, it turns purple. Okay? These are hyperlinks that I have not clicked yet. All hyperlinks that have not yet been clicked are blue. If they have been clicked, they are purple. Okay? Alrighty, and you can buy some 8 tracks on eBay and that kind of thing. So, let's say we want, instead of 8-track tapes, okay, because this is your keyword box. Now notice, The 8 is a keyword, the track is a keyword, and the tapes is a keyword. Okay? Every word you type into this search box is going to be a keyword. And based on what keywords you type in there, it's going to show you websites that will be related to that. That's why it's called a search engine. That's why Google is a search engine. Okay, now let's type in CASSETTTTAPES. Okay? And when we do, we have a hyperlink here, a hyperlink here, a hyperlink here, a hyperlink here, and it goes on and on and on and on. Okay? Cassette is a keyword. Tapes is a keyword. Okay? I know they're words in the dictionary, but they're also keywords when it comes to a search engine like Google. Alright? Now, I always tell people to Google the name SpeedLearner if they're looking for my videos. Okay? So, we'll type in the word SpeedLearner. And when we do, this hyperlink, as you can see, is in purple here. I'll get it closer here. You can see it's actually in purple. That hyperlink has already been clicked, and it leads you directly to my YouTube site. Now, you say, well, what do I do with these hyperlinks? Well, what you do is you put the mouse over the hyperlink. As soon as you put the mouse over the hyperlink, it turns into a hand. Okay? And then you're going to left click the hyperlink. And when you do, the website appears. And this is me. See, this is my YouTube page. And there you go. Alright, and that's how you Google things. Alright. I will tell you more in my next video, so stay tuned.